Meaning of dervish.
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 Dervish. A dervish is a member of a Muslim religious group known for their ascetic and mystical practices, particularly their whirling dance as a form of worship. The term dervish is derived from a Persian word meaning poor one or beggar. Dervishes follow a strict code of conduct and focus on spiritual realization through various rituals and practices, including meditation, chanting, and dancing. The ultimate goal is to achieve divine unity and transcend the limitations of the physical world. The dervish's whirling dance, also known as the Sufi dance, is symbolic of this spiritual journey towards enlightenment.